everyone, I am Swati Gandhi, faculty at SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. Today I am taking the topic local and standard time and international timeline. Let's begin the topic. Local time means sun time. The sun can be overhead at any one meridian at a time. Only all places located along that meridian will have 12 noon at that time. Midday occurs at different times at different meridians. So the local time varies from one meridian to another. Local time is calculated by the shadow cast by the sun. It is the shortest at noon and longest at sunrise and sunset. As the earth keeps rotating, the places at different longitudes will have different time. As the earth rotates from west to east, people in the east will see the sun first. For instance, Dwarka in Gujarat to the west of India will be 1 hour 44 minutes behind the time of Dibrugarh in Assam. In the east, for each longitude, there would be difference of additional 4 minutes. But that would mean that a traveler going from one end of the country to the another, say from Kolkata to Ahmedabad, would have to keep on adjusting his watch to keep up his appointments. To avoid this confusion and inconvenience, each country has adopted standard time. In India, the longitude 82 degree and 30 minutes passing near Allahabad is more or less the central meridian. So it has been selected as the standard meridian of our country. The local time along this meridian is taken as standard time for the country, which is 3:30 minutes or 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT or Universal Time. So the Indian Standard Time or IST is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT time zones. Most countries of the world adopted their standard time from the central meridian of their countries. The whole world is divided into different standard time zones, each of which differ from the next by 15 minutes in longitude or 1 hour in time. Our countries which have great east-west extent like Australia, Canada, USA and Russia have more than one standard time and different time zones. For example, Canada has 6 time zones, the USA has 4 time zones and Russia has 11 time zones. The whole world has 24 time zones. Now come to the next topic, the international dateline. We already know that longitude 180 degree east and 180 degree west are the same line. It is located on the other side of 0 degree or the prime meridian. As we move eastward of the prime meridian, we gain time until at 180 degree east, we are 12 hours ahead of GMT. When we move westward to 180 degree west, we will be 12 hours behind GMT. Thus, there is a difference of 24 hours for a day when we cross east or west of this line. This line is known as the international date line. It is the line of which a day is either added to the calendar or subtracted. It means that the traveling towards the east, one will lose a day, and the traveling towards the west, one will gain a day. The line is, however, not straight. It is curved to avoid the land masses and passes through ocean. This is to avoid falling in any standard time zone of any country. Thank you for watching the video. And friends, if you like the video, please like, subscribe and share the video. Thanks a lot.